Hello everybody, today I want to tell you about how to download APK apps on LG Smart TV. Now pay attention, in your TV, okay, with your LG content store, normally app for download apps, you cannot download apps, okay, APK, okay. Now the only way is use one app, okay. That app is the name downloader is let me show you here, okay. I can write here downloader, okay, on LG Smart TV is one app just like that, okay. Now what is the problem? You cannot download this app because you need Google or Play Store if you want to download this app. Now how you can get Play Store in your LG Smart TV? With this, okay. This is a new launcher or new system in your TV, Chromecast, or you can use Fire TV on another, okay. You can find difference. The most important is that he has a Play Store, okay. If you buy or Android TV, Google TV, now the better option is this. You can find this, okay. It's too cheaper if you use it, okay. And for on with discount, I don't know, but with this you can open your Play Store and download downloader. With downloader you can download APK in your LG Smart TV. It's the only way if you want get APK. This is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English and have a good day.